In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email alerts using Salesforce Flow. Email alerts are a powerful way to automatically send notifications when something important happens in your org, and they work beautifully with Flow. You define the alert once, and then your flows can fire it off consistently, using a polished email template and the right recipients every time. Start by going to the top right corner of Salesforce and clicking the gear icon. From there, select Open Advanced Setup. This takes you into the admin area where all the automation and communication tools live. If you don't see this option, make sure you're in the Lightning experience and that you have the proper permissions to access Setup. Once you're in Setup, look at the left-hand pane and search for email alerts. Typing it into the quick find box is the fastest way. When you see email alerts in the results, click it. This page lists any alerts you've already created and is where you'll create new ones that your flows can reference. Next, click New Email Alert. You'll be prompted to enter a few key details. Give the alert a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later, especially when adding it to a flow. Add a concise description that explains when this alert should be used. This helps teammates understand its purpose at a glance. Choose the email template that will supply the subject line and body. Templates help you standardize language, branding, and merge fields so that every message looks professional and pulls in the right record data. Now, set the recipients. You can target users, roles, or other recipient types supported by your org. And you can also include specific email addresses if needed. Be intentional here. Include only the people or mailboxes that truly need the notification, and make sure any addresses you add are monitored. If your template uses merge fields, confirm those fields make sense for everyone receiving the email. Finally, review everything you entered to ensure the alert name, description, template, and recipients align with your business scenario. And there you go. With those details in place, your email alert is ready to be used by your automation. In your flows, you'll simply reference this alert so that the system sends the right message to the right people without recreating anything. That's all. You've just set up a reusable, reliable email alert that keeps your team informed and your processes running smoothly.